everybody, and welcome back. Today I have with me my second Scrawler box, and let's see what we got. The first thing we have in the box is a Staedtler pencil, which I did not use just because there was not an eraser included in this box. We have the Scrawler box sticker, the prompt paper, and the prompt was growing up. We have this cute butter caramel candy, and the featured artist, which is Gobi, and I really like their art. And if you want to follow them, here is their information. We got 2 pieces of marker paper. And now as we get into the art supplies and rip open this cute little packaging, we can see that we have some different things. We have 3 Pro markers in the colors tan, blush, spice, and we also have 2 micron pens in a brush pen and a micron 0.1 pen. We also have a Faber-Castell white marker, and let's see what we can make. I ended up skipping a lot of the sketching process just because it was pretty repetitive as I was kind of thinking on what to do. And to fit the prompt, which was growing up, I thought it was this little girl's 6th birthday, and some parents, they will mark their kid's height on the wall, and so that's kind of what I was going for. And it's her 6th birthday, and I'm pretty sure she's about 3 feet tall. I don't know if that is the average height for a 6-year-old. I don't know. I didn't research anything before this. I just thought it would be a really cute idea, and yeah. And with the limited color palette, I kind of had to stay pretty simple, so I was just gonna draw a girl in a little sweater. I was originally thinking to make her sweater orange, but then I realized that the other kind of darker color was more of a grayish tan, and that's not really what I was going for. And so I decided to give her red hair and make the sweater the grayish tan, and I ended up kind of toning down the red hair at the end because I colored the background in with the bright red. And here I am just using the microns to outline everything. It's looking pretty good so far, and I will be adding those highlights back in. Here I am starting to color in the face, which I believe the color was tan, and it's going very well. I tried to do some shadows, and I had to be very careful not drawing it across the micron because it did bleed a little bit, nothing too bad, but had to be a bit careful about that. Here I am coloring in the hair in the bright orange, and I do tone it down a lot later. And I added some of the orange to the lips to kind of give it like a lip color, but it kind of looks like now that she's wearing a lot of lipstick, which a 6-year-old does not need to be wearing a lipstick. And here I am coloring in the sweatshirt or sweater, and I had to go over it twice because it was really streaky, and I think it looked better when I went over it second time. I added some of that orange to it to give it more depth and color. I forgot to do that to the other sleeve, and I was going to do that to the rest of the sweater, but that's okay, it still looks good anyhow. And I did skip the rest because it was very repetitive, and it took a long time to color in the background and get that nice clean line around her. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing me do my second Scrawler box. And yeah, let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.